Yo, what is up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. And if you guys are new to this channel, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on so you guys can get notified for a new video. So make sure to subscribe with notification on, and let's start today's video without any further ado. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Facebook login problem. So this problem can also occur if you enter the wrong email or the wrong password, and when you try to log in, or like when you forget your password and enter a wrong password. So this can also occur. So if it is because of your wrong email and password, then make sure to click on forget password and reset your password. That should hopefully make you log into your account. And the other thing is, if you have a slow internet connection, so make sure you have a stable internet connection when you're trying to log into your Facebook, because this problem may occur due to unstable internet connection. So make sure your network connection is stable as well. And the other thing is, if your Facebook is not up to date, so there could be some glitch which won't allow you to log into your Facebook account because you have a old version of Facebook. So for this, go to your Play Store or App Store and make sure your Facebook is up to date. So right now, as you guys can see, there's an open button over here, but if there was an update button instead of open, then I had to update my Facebook. So make sure your Facebook is up to date, and if it still doesn't fixes your problem, then the last thing you can do is go outside of Facebook, hold into Facebook's icon, and once you see this thing pop up, click on app info. And once you click on app info, it's going to take you to Facebook's app info, and go on permission. And on permission, make sure all your permission is turned on. It's off right now, so make sure all the permission is turned on like this. And after all the permission is turned on, go over here where it says storage usage, and on storage usage, click on clear data and click on clear. This should clear all the cache stored by Facebook on your phone, and this should hopefully fix your problem. And the other thing is, just make sure you restart your phone, because if there's a problem with your phone, then you sometimes won't be able to log into your Facebook. So restarting your phone can also solve this problem. So if you guys found this video helpful, then be sure to like and subscribe with notification on, and comment down below what type of video we should make next. And if you guys have any question related to this video, feel free to comment down below. We'll try to solve it. And I'm signing out. Have a nice day, everybody. Bye bye and peace out.